Hi friends, this is Mohammed and we came here to learn about Autocad 2D as in the today's video, exercise 7. Let's see the figure that we are going to draw. So you can see here, so from this center, we have three circles with a diameter of 42, with a diameter of 64 and the diameter of 80. And then along this, we have a gate, so with a width of 8 mm. And then from this center at a distance of 40 and then at a distance of 53 towards left, we have center of this circles. And then again, at the right also, the same similar distance, that is 53. And then from this center at a distance of 78 and towards left at a distance of 40, we have another center for these two circles. And then at a distance of 40 towards right, we have another center for these circles. Okay, so let us start this. First, when you take the system, give units. I need to give units because by default it will be in inches. I need to select the millimeters and then as my drawing is in mm. So then limits, I need to specify the drawing space, that is 0 tab 0 and 500 tab 500 and Z enter R. Okay, so this is the drawing space where I'm going to draw. So first let us draw the two circles with a diameter of 64 and then another circle with a diameter of 80. Okay. And then another circle is there, which is having a diameter of 42 that I need to draw. So for that, select the center diameter and then center for this, it is 42. And then I need to draw the reference lines for this. Make sure that dynamic usage is on and press F8 so that you will get only the horizontal lines and the vertical lines. Okay, and then I need to draw this gate width. Okay, so this is having the width of 8. That means from this reference to the top it is 4 and to the down it is 4. For that, simple, you have the command offset. You can select that and give the distance is 4. And then you can repeat it to the top and repeat it to the down. And then whatever the unnecessary portion is there, you can trim it. Okay, so then I need to remove this one also. And this side. Okay. Now you can see here. So this is these are having the number of 6. Okay. So I need to get the copy of this element along this circle in 6 number of items. Okay. So for that, we have the command Polarity. So you can select this, enter, and select this cell. Enter, that's it. Okay. And next, I need to trim the remaining elements, which are not necessary. That's it. Okay. So now I have drawn this. Now coming to this, okay, so at a distance of 40 and towards left it is 53, towards right it is 53, okay. And we have the circles which are having the diameter of 22 and two circles with a diameter of 22 and two circles with a diameter of 42. So that I need to draw. It's very simple. So you can select a line and towards down it is 40 and then towards right it is 53, enter and press escape. And then simply you can select the center diameter and one circle is at a diameter of 22 and another circle with a diameter of 42. And then from this center, at a distance of 78, that means 78, and at a distance of 40, another center is there for these two circles which are having the radius of 16 and another circle with the diameter of 16 that I need to draw. You can select the line. So from this at a distance of 38, enter, and towards left it is 40, enter. Press escape. Then you need to draw center diameter. You need to take center diameter, and 16 is one circle diameter, and then center radius again 16. Okay, so simple thing is you can do the mirror for this. Mirror, enter. So whatever the elements that you want to do mirror, so you can select, enter, and give the axis for. That's it. Okay, so whatever the unnecessary lines are there, that you can delete. Okay, and then I need to join with a line between these two circles tangentially, and between these two circles tangential, and then I need to draw an arc. Okay, so with a radius of 24 in between these two circles. Okay, so for that I will have the command fillet, enter, and then with the radius there is 24, radius of 24. I can do one thing, 24, select this circle, then again this circle, and then go for object swap settings. As I need to draw line tangentially between the circles, you need to clear all and only select the tangent. Okay, and then select the line, and you can join from this circle to this circle, enter, and from this circle to this circle, enter, from this circle to this circle, enter, and from this circle to this circle, enter. Okay, so now, so everything we have drawn. So but this inner portion I need to remove. So for that you need to use the command trim. Then you can delete this unnecessary portion. Like this you can draw. And now coming for the annotation, that is the dimensioning. Okay, so what are the linear dimensions are there? First, let me check it out. So 40, 38, 106, and 80. So these are linear dimensions, and also 8 also. Okay, so 80, 38, 40, and 106. So these are linear dimensions. You can select the linear dimension, and so make sure that the object swap settings, everything you had selected, and then from this center to this center you can drag it. And now the text is not visible. For that we have the command D, enter, and next modify. We can go for increasing the scale and the size. Okay, so I'm going to increase the size by 5 times, and then text also I'm going to increase by 5 times, and then primary units. So in that I'm going to limit it to 0. Okay, set current, close. So now you can see it's visible. And then again, linear dimension from this circle center, and you can drag it. And then again linear dimension from this the center between this center to this center, and you can drag it. And then again linear from this one to this center, and you can drag it. Okay, and I think we had completed the linear dimensions. And now diametrical dimensions you can see here. So 80, and then again 64. Okay, and so that I need to go. So now taking the diametrical dimensions. Okay. So one is the diameter of 80, and then again diameter of for this circle. So this is 42. Then and select this. This is the diameter of 64. And again, check it out. This is the diameter of 42. Okay, so diameter of 42. Okay. And from this one to this one, okay, take the linear, or you can take the align for this. From this one to this, and you can drag it. Next, in the same way, you can check it out here. 24 and radius you can represent. 24 and 42 also we need to represent. So for that also you can take the align dimension. So from this one to, so make sure that F8 is off. Okay, so 42. And then again 22. 42. Now 16 also need to represent. Or simply you can represent by the diametrical dimension also. And now the radius, you can select the radius, then you can represent the radius of this. You can see the reference line, so it should be represented with the long dashed lines, dot lines. You can go for the other load, and then you can see here ISO long dash dot lines. So you can load this, okay, and then you can select these two lines, and you can change it to that long dot dash lines. And also you can change the color also for the required color. And for the layers means for the lines also you may change the color. So everything we have represented. So this is, guys, like this you can complete the drawing of Autocad. So it is very easy. But simple thing is you need to know how to draw and how to start the drawing. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.